Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay. Happy Monday. I am back with another high paying work from home job lead, and this one does not require any kind of degree. You do not have to go to college to get high paying jobs. Just remember, sharing is always caring. So if you find this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That gives me direct feedback that it is helpful. And please share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But with that being said, the huge social media giant Pinterest is hiring an employee relations partner. Now, this is remote within the United States. So they are looking for an employee relations partner to help make Pinterest a place where everyone can learn, grow, and do their best work of their lives. So you'll partner with employees and managers as they work through their most pivotal moments. You'll serve as a trusted advisor to employees and managers, coaching, advising, and empowering them to navigate their people issues. So this is like an HR human resources role. You will partner with a variety of stakeholders, including the human resources, business partners, legal, leadership, all of those departments to facilitate prompt, fair, and effective resolution of any employee relations concerns that come up. You'll help shape a positive employee experience through every HR case that you manage, and you'll keep your finger on the pulse of the community, working with the HR business partners and leaders to optimize team health and shape incredible culture at Pinterest. Now, again, they do not require any kind of college degree. They are looking for someone who has 4 years or more of HR experience, including 1 year of some kind of employee relation experience, someone who has a deep sense of empathy for employee experience, including an awareness of the social and cultural context that shapes experiences we all have. You need to have strong personal ethics and integrity. You need to be able to speak with good judgment and have knowledge of employment laws and best practices. Now, if that is you, the minimum salary starts out at $109,000 a year and goes all the way up to $182,000 a year. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.